Hey everybody, we're TK and Earl and welcome to the Jacksonville RV Mega Show of 2024. We're starting with an Airstream Bambi 22FB. It's a travel trailer. You can see the space is a little tight, but they do a good job with their space. Here's the bathroom shower. Nice little seating area. Here's where you can watch your TV, small fridge. Cooking space. And here's where you sleep. I like that there is a nice designated sleeping area and great surrounding windows in this model. And next we have another travel trailer. This was recommended by our friends Fire Nomads. This is the 2024 Intech Terra Willow Rover. You can see it's another nice, small, compact, well-organized space, surrounding windows. Nice seating area here that could fit a lot of people if you want to have some friends over. Here's the kitchen area. Perfect little stove, range, window with some storage here. Really nice use of space. Here's the freezer and the fridge. It's obviously not full size, but I think it's definitely workable. Back to the bedroom space. Separated beds. This is a little unusual, but we do have separate blankets, so this could work for me and Earl. And now this is unique. Separate shower and bathroom in such a small space because we've been looking at a lot of vans. There was the shower and here we have the bathroom. It's me! Here we have another Intech. This is the 2024 OVR Expedition. Notice again a nice big seating area with windows across. Love that. Here's the compact kitchen. Everything you need here and a pantry this time. Toward the back, the sleeping area has separated beds again with a nice skylight. Pretty good freezer and fridge space again. I think we could fit plenty in here. Just gotta be organized. And here's the bathroom shower area. So notice this one is combined like they typically are in smaller units. Going a little bigger here now, guys, with the 2024 Grand Design Solitude 391DL. Mouthful. We love this brand. We have a reflection ourselves from Grand Design. Huge bedroom. This is quite a jump now from what we were just looking at. Some closet space here. Some closet space here. You can actually walk in. Queen size bed. Full bathroom here. No sharing a shower over the toilet in these guys. And then a spacious sitting area. We do like the table here. Benches are nice for storage, but we do like that table design. And then you have a pantry. Pretty big pantry. Could fit a lot in there. Your full-size fridge, which of course is a nice bonus. Freezer. Do like these nice pull-out freezers. Two of them even. Garbage underneath here. That's nice. I like that better than how we have our garbage set up. Of course, you have your oven. You have your sink. And we love these lofts. Really cool loft space here for extra sleeping. TV across from the sitting area, extra bedroom for kiddos, TV right across, and a nice bathroom that leads right out to the outside. You need to just pop into the bathroom. It's right there with shower. We've got another big rig here, a fifth wheel. This is the Alliance 2024 Paradigm 385 FL. Notice the fabulous storage underneath. Tons of space. Nice sturdy stairs. That gives you a little idea of the layout. Here we go. Stepping right into the kitchen area. Now this is nice, models like these, because it looks like an apartment. It feels like an apartment. You have steps coming into a separated living area. Multiple couches. This is a party rig, I would say. Stepping back down into the kitchen. The kitchen is its own separated space. Full refrigerator. This is great for full-timers. This is great for families living on the road, as long as you don't mind driving a big rig. This is too big for us. Really nice pull-out freezer. I mean, really, it's hard to tell you're in an RV right now. This could be an apartment. Beautiful island here for the sink. Now we're coming on back into the bedroom. Probably a queen size here, maybe even king size, I don't know. And huge bathroom. But a lot of us watching are jealous here. Beautiful shower. Of course, your toilet. Nice big closet space. Tons of opportunities to store your clothes. And here we have another Alliance Avenue 2024 37 MBR. Another fifth wheel. Now this one we thought was really unique. Earl and I really like this one because look at this room right here. They have an additional guest space or office. Look, we have a nice desk space here. We checked, that couch does fold out. There's a little note about this TV too. Extra storage space. Who doesn't love extra storage space when they're in an RV? Beautiful kitchen, fireplace, coat hooks. Island, really nice island here for your sink. Sorry, we're spinning a little bit. I hope you're not dizzy. Full-size fridge. Lots of space for all your shopping needs. And look at this pantry here. Really nice pantry, and Earl appreciated there's lighting all the way down because our pantry only has lights in the top. Look at this gorgeous sitting area. It's really spacious, plenty of places to sit. And if that's not enough, an extra loft area. How fun is that? You're thinking you could put pads on the stairs for the cats, they could climb up there. Beautiful bathroom. Really nice shower. And here's the master bedroom. Huge bed. Walk-in closet. And some extra drawer space. Out the window, we've got TK, and behind her, our new friends. Downsizing makes sense. Thank you for joining us today. Let us know if you're in the market for an RV and what you'd like to see in our next RV show video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.